Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from HSBC to your Monzo account. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started with the easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from your HSBC to your Monzo account. So the first thing to do is to log to your HSBC mobile app banking. Then navigate to pay and transfer. Then from there select make a payment or transfer. Then choose the account you wish to transfer from. Then select add a new payee. Then from there you have to enter your Monzo account details, which involves your account name, then your sort code with your account number. Then after that, you have to follow the on-screen instruction just to complete the payment, and that's how you can simply send money from HSBC to Monzo. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.